And my friend Yolanda came over here to Big Mama's garden to harvest some cabbage.
Yes.
So let's go in here and get some cabbage for Yolanda today.
They look good. You did a good job, Vicky. They look
let's
good.
see. Yeah, we gotta hurry up and get these here out before the bugs come out and be eating them up.
So how long did it take you to grow the cabbage?
Oh, girl. I had started in the fall, and they lasted during the cold weather that we had, and they started sprouting up a little more, getting the forming the heads. At first, they didn't have the heads, cabbage heads on them, but they doing good now.
They're good and healthy.
But I gotta hurry. It's not gonna last too long during this hot weather.
Correct.
So I'm gonna have to get as many of them as I can harvest. That's one for you.
Thank you.
Let's see.
They are
all
that is
these
nice.
bugs. You like the green leaves on them?
I do.
When you're cooking?
Yeah.
I like that too. A lot of people be pulling those off, and you be seeing them in the grocery stores.
And they don't know what they're missing.
Yeah, don't know what they're missing. Okay, here's another one. Let me get this little bug out of here. You gotta take them home and clean them up for you.
Yep, and rinse them a couple of times. A lot of people don't know they have to rinse them several times, not just once.
Yeah, I soak mine. There you go. You want one more?
Yes.
Get this one over here.
Oh. You remember the old movie, Shopper Hall?
Let's see, is this one?
I see it. Feed me, Seymour.
Let's see, cut
Definitely
all this.
see it. Oh yeah, these some good ones.
It was beautiful. Nice and healthy.
I almost don't want to cut them because it looks so pretty.
They do.
All right.
No pesticides. All natural.
All natural.
I'm going to go home and feed the vegetarian. With my cabbage.
Cabbage grown in Big Mama's garden.
Big garbage garbage. With my friend.